Yeah, so we're gonna start this video off by saying the weathermen are
You're probably gonna have to. You're gonna have to bleep that.
I don't think that has to be like blipped, because that's not a swear word. I didn't cuss.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a swear word.
Okay, well fine. The weathermen are so yeah, we're out here at one of our favorite hiking spots. It's raining.
The weatherman said it wouldn't be raining.
Yeah.
We're not really raining, but it is raining.
So to make sure we're really unintelligent, I decided let's start an opening video out in the open and not underneath the shadow of the trees. So we're going to start moving now.
Okay, good idea.
So yeah, we're out in.
Non-existent today.
We'll just say Laurel Hill State Park, as you'll be able to see some of the signs here. But it's raining, but we are stubborn. We're going out anyways.
We are.
I say stubborn because it doesn't sound as nice to say we are stupid.
We are very much stupid. Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah. So I'm sure we're going to get some raindrops on this footage here. I don't know how much we'll do here, but I wanted to do a little bit. It actually, despite the rain, I love this park. I love looking around here. I love this trail. Usually we don't say where we're at, but this is a pretty common one. You can see the sign there. It's Hemlock Trail.
It's really pretty in here.
And you know, we're under the canopy here. You really can't feel any raindrops anymore.
He says you can't feel any raindrops. I proceed to get a raindrop right in my eye.
Yeah.
Okay, what the hell?
Okay, this is kind of picking up a bit.
Yeah. I think that was just from wind.
That might have been just the wind and the rain coming off of the trees, I'm hoping.
Okay, it's lightening up.
Yeah.
I think if we want to do this, we probably want to do the entire loop. I don't know if we want to come back this way. Yeah, this seems like a bad idea. That's a little
So wait, the loop takes us well up above though, doesn't it?
This rock is wobbly, Dad. Be careful. There's like a full-on fossil there. Look at this. That's like 100% a fossil there.
Oh, that's totally, yeah. Good eye.
Mom's just leaving. Yeah, look how red. Oh, wow, that's a pretty leaf.
Oh, here's these little red berries, remember?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember those last fall.
Yeah, these are really cool.
Oh, they're so cute. I can't remember what they are. Me neither, but they're cute. Don't eat them. They're probably poisonous.
Probably, well, if other critters aren't eating them, that's probably telling you.
When in doubt, don't touch it. Oh, there's like a tiny little mushroom here, Mom. Oh, geez, how did I miss it? Look at him.
Oh,
that is tiny. If I had my good camera, I could get that.
Oh, yeah.
Got the training and bringing the good camera.
Yeah, the good camera would be out if it wasn't freaking raining.
Dad at least got it on footage. Yeah.
Stupid weatherman.
Yeah,
oh, you tell me you saw these orange mushrooms over here.
Oh yeah, Mom, look at those mushrooms. Stand where I'm standing, you can get a bit. Oh,
Totally. Just don't fall down the hill, please.
Yeah, please don't. Moving. She has a reputation for doing stupid things, including dangling over cliffs to get photos.
Somehow we don't get those on film. We only get me doing something stupid on film.
Yeah, you insert that time you accidentally threw the magnet fishing thing into the literal keystone.
I'm glad I did not have that filmed.
There were witnesses.
There were witnesses.
He only does the stupid when there's witnesses.
Oh, I love this trail. This is definitely one of our favorite trails.
Oh yeah.
See, it's like a little ravine kind of going down in here.
Oh wow.
And the creek's at the bottom.
Oh, those are hemlock. Those are big boy hemlock. Yeah. Very cool. Put this back up now. Oh, this is a wonderful idea. Don't face plant, Dad.
Yeah. As I'm watching the video instead of my footing. Always a smart thing to do.
Well, let's see if we have something to add to the blooper compilation. Mom can the zoom.
Especially after I was just saying, look at the ravine.
don't hurt yourself. Get back in.
I really love this little creek down here.
Oh yeah.
And we're pretty much down from the ravine, or we're down into the ravine, I should say. A little closer to the water now.
Who wants to touch the water? I'm not going down there.
Nope.
That's cold. That's how you get frostbite and lose a finger.
Oh, it's too bad we don't have our good cameras down here because that's a nice view.
I know.
Dang. Stupid weather, people.
Just think of it this way. We probably need to practice hiking in the rain anyway.
Yeah.
And at least you're doing it on a fairly familiar, fairly short trail. And not some new obscure trail out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. Well, this last season, certainly, since we started these videos, we've definitely become kind of an all-season hiker family.
And apparently all-weather hiking.
Yeah. You definitely want to have like a nice poncho or something to kind of protect you from the elements when you're out here with these rains. I think it said it was 51 when we were in the car.
Yeah. Either way, always have a poncho on.
Yeah. Well, really, at this temperature, yeah, I mean, at 50 degrees and you get wet, you could get hypothermia, quite honestly.
There's like a clump of red berries or something over here.
Oh, look at that.
That is cool. Don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Definitely shouldn't try eating it.
Yep.
Looking at you, Mom. Super muddy here.
Goody.
And that is why we have the good shoes. Oh, do not use that. Wobbly?
I take it you found a wobbly one?
Oh, geez, that's slippery. Yeah. Holy shit.
Which one?
Don't step on these at all.
Oh.
Mom lost the stick. Another mushroom.
Pretty deep?
Yeah, it went in there pretty deep. We just left.
I'm sure my videos are all unstable right now as I'm trying to keep my footing.
Oh, look at that. More mushrooms.
Yeah, I wish I could have brought my camera down here, but I didn't want to risk it getting any rain on it.
Yeah.
Now, one thing we've seen a lot this season is really a nice variety of mushrooms. Yep.
Quite warm underneath it.
And as I was talking about that, more mushrooms.
Look at those mushrooms.
Oh, if we could have just had our good cameras out here for these photos. That's beautiful. And look up this way too. That's also quite beautiful. And there's the women.
There's more mushrooms. Look at you guys.
The women? Did you say the women?
Yeah.
I will only answer to warrior woman, thank you very much.
Excuse
Warrior
me, I
woman.
am non-binary.
Okay.
She's just, they are just warrior.
They are just warrior. You are a woman warrior.
Yeah.
I am, I don't know what the hell I am.
I'm a menace to society.
I know, but it'll make it cold.
So I put my hair down so I have insulation.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm kind of thankful
Why
for
don't you
these.
go in front for a while, hon?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
So I could pretty much go in front to do the videoing. Just tell me if I'm going too quickly or too slowly or any of that sort of stuff. As all of a sudden I realize my family is gone. They've turned around and left me in the woods.
No. Hey. We need to get Mom the GPS so she doesn't disappear into the woods.
See, this is obviously somewhat of a stream when the heavy rain's coming down.
Look, we can go touch the water. Who wants to go touch the water?
No.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. I'm like, look, you can touch the water. And I'm touching the water. I'm touching the water that's falling from the sky.
Yeah. It's just amazing. Some of this water is just so clear out here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice.
The video definitely doesn't do it justice.
It's actually kind of neat looking as the water just falls in the,
Oh, yeah.
the rain falls in the water falls into the water.
The water falls into the water, yeah.
Rain into the creek. I mean, this water is usually so clear. I think a couple of times, Shard, we've seen trout in here.
Big boy mushrooms.
Yep.
Mom, we have a big boy mushroom.
Yet another one.
Okay.
Well, somebody was through here when it was muddy.
Yeah.
They sank in pretty well on the 1 foot stuff.
How long do I have my hood up, my glasses on, and I'm still getting raindrops hitting me in the eye? Yeah. More big boy mushrooms. Right here. Oh, geez. Bright white.
Yeah. You know, I really don't know if it's just that we've never noticed these things in the past, or if it's been a really good year for them.
Even more of the big ones. Dang, the Mary's nice one over there by that tree.
That's a cool route.
I think it's a bit of both. We used to hike so quickly in the past.
Yeah, we didn't stop enough to take a good look at things, I think, in the past.
In the back again. When was the game with them?
Yeah.
I don't think we will turn around and come back this way.
Yeah. Because I think going up that way, we've got a pretty big elevation change. It could be kind of slippery.
Yeah, we're going up a hill when it's raining on slippery rocks and mud seems like a bad idea. That rock is wobbly.
We just need to get out to the really big hemlocks out here.
Yep.
Oh, look, I don't know if we see any of the berries, but that's the same
Plant.
plant and everything where we were seeing those red berries.
Early yet. I think that was in October.
Yeah.
See a lot of acorns on the ground.
Yeah.
Look at the acorns. Oh, there is a berry.
Oh, I see a berry right in here.
Yeah, a charcoal one too.
Oh, look at these mushrooms down in here.
Aw, that's so cute.
Can't tell if that's a nut or something in there. The rocks over here, you can just see, are just kind of neat. These are obviously for stepping stones where they're laid out, but they're kind of cool. Potentially another, somewhat of a fossil there. Sorry. And this is why we're seeing a lot of stuff, because we're taking our time now.
I am out of the dum-dum era. We need to go, we need to go, we need to go.
Yeah.
I'm like going to an area, not just enjoying the hike.
I'll assume that meant get my butt moving. Now, slowing down, we're seeing more oh, look at this mushroom.
Oh, that you got to get a photo of that one now.
Yeah, get your camera. There's also a little itty bitty baby one kind of hiding in there in the moss.
Aww. Oh, that is so cute.
Yeah, I was just saying, we're seeing a whole lot more, I think, because we're going slower. Noticing, you know, the moss, the mushrooms, the rocks. Oh, there's another bigger one.
Mom bending in awkward positions to get photos.
Oh, some nice big rocks up here.
Big boy rocks, big boy rocks.
Yeah.
I don't know what my problem is.
Normally Shard climbs up on these, but they're kind of wet today.
When it's raining because they're covered in moss, and moss plus rain equals slippery.
Yeah, you may be sliding all over the place.
This one I can sit on though.
Which one? Taking the safe route today.
My brain cell is functioning properly.
Yeah.
Also, trying to climb in a poncho is a bad idea. And normally to climb those bigger rocks, I have to take off my backpack so I don't lose my center of balance.
Yeah.
I don't want to get the backpack out. I sound like I know what I'm talking about, but I don't.
Yeah, so we're probably just going to go reverse this path instead of going the entire loop today just because of the rain, but we're going to at least make it up to the old growth couple of really big hemlocks back here.
The big boy trees.
Yeah.
Part of the loop just follows the road anyway.
Yeah, it's not as exciting in my opinion. I was gonna say, am I right? Is that a fossil?
To me.
Oh, that does look like a
Yeah.
fossil.
Yeah, we're definitely finding a ton of fossils back here too.
We know what to look for now.
Yeah, I think that's exactly it.
They've obviously always been here.
Yeah, we just didn't know to look for them.
Maybe that could just be an interesting pattern in the rock.
From this angle, it looks. Check it over from this area, Shard. Looks,
That's still kind of iffy.
yeah.
That other one definitely was a fossil.
The other one definitely was.
Because this rock is a lot of scratches and stuff in it, so that could
Yeah.
be an interesting pattern in the rock. Maybe lost Mom. Okay, let's slow down, Dad. Let Mom catch up.
Nice bright red leaf on the dirt.
You never know when Mom's going to just run off into the woods or
Mhm.
to a photo shoot.
I'll be back in 2 minutes. 15 minutes on this.
We need to put like one of those like air tag things on Mom so we know where she is at all times.
Yeah.
You can find her if she runs off
Yeah.
in the wilderness. Oh, it's a cute mushroom.
Oh, that's cool.
Right there.
Something could be living in there. Look how deep that looks.
Another one down there.
Noodles, are any of you in there?
Oh wow.
Looking at groundhogs, foxes.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen those like images of just like a ton of like the garter snakes all
Oh.
poking
Yeah.
out on the
Yeah.
wall? You see a ton of garter snakes.
Lots of mushrooms. Wow.
Yeah, they must be cool.
There's another big boulder. Look how the trees are growing over it.
That's my favorite thing.
I don't know why, but I kind of like the 3 leaves there.
Yeah.
Look at trillium.
That's what I wanted to say.
Late.
It's a late
Yeah.
trillium.
I think there's a trillium that's like something grandiflora. It's like a big version.
Ooh, that could be the big
So
one.
I think it blooms a little later than the other one, but that one's still really late.
You have to wonder how this rock ended up like that.
Propped up against the tree.
Yeah, there's another one.
At least around here.
What?
It sounds like at least around here.
Yeah.
I don't know if other states still allow it.
Oh, more down over here.
Oh, wow.
Kind of an interesting looking one. Oh, through there.
Oh,
I'm seeing
wow.
a stream.
Oh, wow, yeah.
I'm seeing a stream of them. Do we have them on this side too, going up the hill?
It doesn't look like it.
Okay.
So we didn't accidentally step in a circle of mushrooms.
Yeah.
We don't need to do that again.
Yeah.
Portals again.
That was an interesting thing. We don't have that on video, but we had a rather unique GPS. I'll leave it as a glitch, but we can't really prove it. There was
We've
a
never been
glitch.
able to replicate the glitch, and the company didn't say anything about the map glitch.
Yeah. All I know is that the 1.5 mile hike was reported as 34.92 miles. And strangely enough, the time going back was dramatically shorter than the time going out, because we pretty much did an out and back sort of route. So, and that physically we know it was kind of messed up at the time. So I don't know what was going on there. There we go.
Dad,
What's that?
contain the zoom.
Yeah.
We're entering Hemlock Natural Area.
There we go.
That is the tree.
Yep. There's our buddy.
That's what I came here to see.
Yep. I haven't visited you in a while, my friend. Huggo-vision.
I gotta hug the tree as well.
Yes, proof that we are tree huggers.
Trees are awesome.
I love this tree. This one, and we've got 2 that are on our little nature preserve near our house. So I'll probably stop the video here for now.
Yeah. Because we're just going to head back the way we came.
Yeah, I'll start it up if we find anything interesting, but should be just the reverse. Okay,
Out of the way.
they can stay in the way there.
Oh, okay.
Kind of talk about it. Yeah, I saw this on the way back. I love this, the way these roots kind of grew up and over. And you can
Yeah.
see there's like rotting stump. Shard mentioned
Yeah.
there might be a case that these grew over a tree at one
Yeah.
point and then it just kind of rotted.
Then the tree.
But that is so crazy looking. I mean,
It's like instant table.
yeah.
It's like, this is sturdy. That's the roots to that guy.
Yeah. I came over to, well, I'm standing right next to it.
Yeah.
This guy. But yeah, that's just, I remember every time we've gone here, coming back,
Yeah,
I always notice this. Just such a crazy looking root system.
Yeah. Especially with, I suspect
Yeah.
this had a split in it and the roots grew like up.
Up and around it somehow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is very interesting.
Either way, it's fun.
So.